If you're gaming on a laptop and want the highest possible FPS, connecting your laptop to an external monitor can help you get better performance and smoother gaming experience. However, simply plugging in a monitor isn't always enough. The way you connect your display and configure your settings can make a big difference. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your monitor for maximum FPS and optimize everything for the best gaming performance. Before connecting anything, take a look at the ports available on both your laptop and monitor, because most laptops and monitor supports HDMI, DisplayPort, mini DisplayPort, USB-C with DisplayPort support. Now, if your monitor and laptop both support DisplayPort, that's usually the preferred option for higher refresh rates. Otherwise, HDMI can also work depending on the version supported by your device. So make sure you use a cable that supports your monitor's maximum refresh rate and resolution. Now, after that, you need to connect the monitor. Turn on your monitor and connect it to your laptop using the appropriate cable. Once connected, Windows should automatically detect the display. If nothing appears on the monitor, check that the cable is securely connected. Select the correct input source on the monitor, restart the laptop if necessary, and then after that, you want to make sure to set the monitor as your main display. To get the best gaming experience, it's recommended to use the external monitor as your primary display. So right-click on your desktop and select Display. Under the Multiple Display section, you need to select your external monitor. Scroll down and enable Make this my main display. This ensures games launch on the monitor you are using. And then I need you to set the highest refresh rate. This is very important because many gamers connect a high refresh rate monitor but forget to enable the higher refresh rate. Now, to change it, I need you to open the settings. Go to System, select Display, click Advanced Display, choose the external monitor and select the highest available refresh rate, such as 120Hz, 144, 165, and 240Hz, because a higher refresh rates allows you to see more frames per second and enjoy smoother gameplay. Now, this step is very important. You need to use the dedicated GPU when possible. Some gaming laptops connect external monitors directly to the dedicated graphics card, bypassing integrated graphics. Now, to check your graphics settings, for NVIDIA users, you need to open the NVIDIA control panel, navigate to the Manage 3D settings, and set the preferred graphic processor to high-performance NVIDIA processor. Now, for AMD users, open AMD software, configure games to use the dedicated GPU, because using the dedicated GPU can significantly improve gaming performance and FPS. And then finally, you need to update the graphics drivers. Remember, outdated graphics drivers can limit performance, so visit your GPU manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, installing the newest drivers can improve compatibility, stability, and FPS in many games. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next one.